again, everyone. Still Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I am adding to this eye look, which is a single color eyeshadow look. It's up on YouTube. Check it out. I'm going to add to this and change the look completely. You want to see what this look like? Keep watching. But before we start, our I am today is I am a winner. You are a winner. We are all winners. I am a winner. Say that today. Win with life today. Winning doesn't always mean the lottery. Every time you mention winning, people think if I can win the lottery, if I can win this, if I can win with life today, win with health, win with mindset, win with goals, win with dreams. I am a winner, you are a winner. Let us change this eye look into something different. Keep watching because it is always fun here. In my magnifying mirror so you can see. I have one color eyeshadow look. I am going to take a pink and go above it to change it so you can see if you want to change your look, how you can do it. I always take a lot. As usual, I try never to take a lot, but that doesn't always happen, so just rock with me. I always dab too much. I always take too much. I like to dab because when I swipe, it always takes away my color. Because I guess my oily skin just erase it. So I try to dab more. But I dab in a way where as I move it around, it just blends very, very nice. I am a winner. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am a winner in life. I am up this morning. It is beautiful. My eyes can see. My nose can smell. My mouth can talk. My tongue can taste. I am a winner. You know the story behind my brows today? You notice my brows are big and thick? I shave it all the time. From the time I know myself, I always like to shave my brow because my brows grow exactly. This is my brow. The only thing I did was take out a few stray ones from the bottom. But my brows grow this large. But for as long as I can remember, I have always just trim it. Even back in the day when they didn't make stuff to trim it, I trim it with a razor blade because I just love a thin eyebrow. For me, it makes my face completely different, but I am so tired of shaving lately because every time you turn around, hair grows hair, hair grows hair. The older you get, the more hairs you get that grows. So it's like, you know what, I'm just going to put a powder foundation over it and let it be. So that's why it looks all big. So now I have the purple and the pink. I'm going to take this tiny brush, as you can see, and I'm going to use it in one of the dark colors, like a brown, and I'm going to take that. I'm going to take that and put right here in the outer corner. Just right there. That's why I have a small brush. It is a brown color. When you use a small brush, it takes a lot of time to get what you're doing, but take your time, don't give up, and just keep doing it and you'll see the result. It takes a little while, but you'll see it. So this is what I've done to kind of break up a little, and then if you notice the other one, it's different. So tell me if you can see the difference. This one I haven't done anything yet, and this one I have added the little brown in the corner right here, and if I look at you, you can see the difference, right? Let me know in the comments. are a winner. I am a winner. Our I am for today is I am a winner. We are going to win on life. We are going to win on health. We are going to win on our children. We are going to win on our family. We are going to win on our husbands. We are going to win. We are winners. I am a winner. That is our I am for today. I changed this look into a whole other level. I add pink on top. I add a little brown in the end corner. I make the liner wider. I put face powder. I change the lipstick. I have blush on. So you can take your one color eyeshadow look and change it into anything that you like. We're rocking this look today, 2024. Happy to be here alive. I am winning. I am a winner. I am here alive in 2024. I am a winner. I have already won. Let us keep winning. You are going to win at work. You are going to win in safe travels. I am a winner. Remember, if you are going through any tough times, pray and seek help. Pray to whoever you pray to, but also seek help. Don't let your thoughts run away with you. If you cannot control your thoughts, seek help. Because our thoughts is what makes our life crazy. According to the thoughts we are thinking, it is destroying us. Let us change our thinking. Let us change our thoughts in 2024 and move on for years to come. Let us start making that shift. I am a winner. I am a winner. Let us change our thoughts, our thinking, our mind. Let us weave in a new pattern in our mind. I am a winner. You are a winner. Don't let anyone else tell you different. You are a winner in your own rights and your own unique way. With all of this said, enjoy this beautiful, fabulous 2024 day. And we look forward to win many, 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 many more days. Bye. Yes. Keep rising. Keep rising. Keep rising. We are rising. We are rising. Yeah, yeah, yeah.